Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Oh my god, ew. Hold on.
Fuck is...
He's sitting on the jar. Look at his penis. Why does it
Oh.
look like that?
He's sitting on it?
Why does it... Ew.
Ew.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Oh my god, he got the whole jar in his ass. Oh, it broke. It broke.
Did you get that? No, you didn't hit your head on the wall. How you gonna get it out?
He's gonna take it out.
Well, he about to dookie it out or something?
No, he's gonna pull out with his hand and he's gonna start bleeding. Ew.
Bleeding?
Yes, it's bleeding. Oh, it's wicked.
Shut up!
Oh, that.
Oh my gosh! What the?
Bro, he broke his ass, bro.
Oh my god, it's not coming out. Oh my
No,
god.
little boy, you can't see this. What you doing?
Little boy.
You don't want to.
Game, bro.
You don't want to see this, boy.
Oh my
game.
god, why do people do the
Play the
things
game.
they do? Why?
This shit don't
It's
hurt.
not coming out. He's not
No,
even
boy.
moving. His feet ain't even
You
curling.
can't see it.
Oh my god, it's like a puddle.
This thing got a period.
That's his ass juice.
Ass juice.
Oh
dookie.
my
He's
god.
trying to see it. Damn, boy.
I don't think you want to see this, son.
His ass is leaking.
Hey,
It's
man,
not
go
coming
make
out.
it.
The whole
Oh,
jar
nah,
is
bro.
in
It's
his
a boy
ass
with
and
his
it ain't
penis
coming
out, so
out.
you're going to see it.
Look at his thing. Why does his thing look like that? It's not even the penis. I don't know what it is.
What do you think it is?
It ain't no penis looking like that. It's not coming out. His jar is stuck up his ass.
Damn, how long is this
Excuse my
video?
language.
Look.
Oh my god.
Hey, look at this. Hey, you.
My head is starting to hurt so bad.
How long is this video?
I'm gonna look at this one more
No,
time.
boy, you get back
Look
here.
how he's opening up his...
Someone look at this one more time.
Why am I
Go
watching
play the
this?
game, bro. You taking a break? Oh, I'm about to turn it off.
No!
Damn right.
He was like digging around in his ass. Like, it's just nothing. Like, he does this every day.
You probably do. Better go to the hospital.
What a fag mom. Look at Liera. She doesn't even look at it.
What you gonna say? When
She
you go
probably
to the
did see it. She
hospital?
probably
I'm
see it a little
gonna
bit.
Oh, he really broke it.
Now he's
Yes,
cut.
it broke inside of his leg.
He's cutting his hands up and everything.
Damn.
You can hear it. Why does his thing look like that? He must have been in the BME Olympics. And they must have sewed up what was left.
Maybe.
But like, look how he's just so content. His feet ain't moving. He
I'd have
ain't
been screaming
moving.
like, yeah.
You get it all.
He just did this
This
on
nigga
his
got-
kitchen floor.
This nigga got glass in his ass.